You like playing in the rain, Theo? Theo, look, say cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Are you watering that daisy? Uh-oh. Madeline, Gran says you might want to get rid of all those mushrooms.
I am gonna get rid of them.
Look at all the mushrooms.
Right. Okay. Where's the spade?